Your savings account is scamming you and your bank is counting on you never finding out. Right now, inflation is silently stealing 4.6% of your money every single year. Your savings account is paying you back 3% to 4%. You are losing money while it sits there doing nothing. Here's the simplest way to understand it. You have 100 rupees. Today, it buys you 100 chocolates. Next year, same, 100 rupees. Same account, same balance. But those chocolates now cost 105 rupees. Your money didn't move. But your 100 rupees can only buy 95 chocolates now. That's not a theory. That is what is happening to your savings account every single month right now. So what do you do about it? You need to put your money somewhere that beats 4.6%, or you're just slowly getting poorer. Today, I'm giving you the complete cheat sheet, 8 investment options, broken down so clearly that a 10-year-old could pick one. Let's go. So stick till the end. Welcome to our channel, The Know Why, a data-backed educational channel. A, the speed run, 9 investments. Here is the speed run, how they work in a snap and what they actually pay you. 1. Nifty 50 index funds. How it works. You buy a tiny diversified slice of India's top 50 largest companies. Expected yield. Historically, they compound at around 12.7% per year over the long term. 2. Active mutual funds. How it works. You pay a professional fund manager to handpick winning stocks to try to beat the market average. Expected yield. Usually targets 15% to 25% if you invest in mid-cap or small-cap funds. 3. National Pension System, NPS. How it works. A government-backed retirement lockbox with incredibly cheap management fees. Expected yield. Around 9% to 12% per year, depending on your mix of equity and debt. 4. Corporate and government bonds. How it works. You act as the bank and lend your money directly to companies or the government in exchange for regular fixed interest payments. Expected yield. Very safe government or A-rated corporate bonds yield 7% to 8%. Riskier high-yield corporate bonds can pay up to 11% to 13.5%. 5. RBI Floating Rate Savings Bonds. How it works. Safe, government-backed bonds where your interest payout automatically rises if general interest rates go up. Expected yield. 8.05% per year right now, paid out every 6 months. 6. Sovereign gold bonds, SGBs. How it works. You buy paper gold on the stock exchange, meaning zero storage hassle, and get paid cash interest just to hold it. Expected yield. Gold's actual price appreciation, plus a guaranteed 2.5% fixed interest per year on your initial investment. 7. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. How it works. Crowdfunded commercial real estate, where you pool money with others to own premium tech parks and malls and collect the rent. Expected yield. A steady 5% to 6.6% rental dividend yield, plus the capital growth of the properties. 8. High-yield fixed deposits, small finance banks. How it works. Standard bank FDs, but with younger, hungrier small finance banks that offer way higher rates. Expected yield. Up to 8.1% to 8.3% per year. 9. Public Provident Fund, PPF. How it works. A long-term, 100% tax-free government savings scheme where your money is completely safe. Expected yield. Unchanged at 7.1% per year. B. Strategic match. How to choose for your age, 20 to 35. Now, how do you match these to your life? If you're in your 20s and early 30s, time is your greatest superpower. For your long-term goals, like buying a home in 10 years or early retirement, anchor your portfolio in Nifty 50 index funds and active mutual funds. They have the highest wealth compounding power. But if you are saving for a short-term goal, like a wedding, a European trip next year, or an emergency fund, don't risk it in the stock market. Lock that cash into high-yield FDs or secure bonds. They give you predictable, guaranteed returns that beat inflation easily. C. Conclusion. Stop letting inflation quietly steal your money. Pick one or two of these options, open your demat account, and start investing today, even if it's just 1,000 rupees or any amount you are ready to put down every month. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that subscribe button, share this with a friend who needs to rescue their savings, and let me know in the comments. Which option are you investing in first? See you in the next one.